Wrestling 165 and winner of the match by a forfeit from Camden Catholic, Tully Touch. Wrestling 175 and winner by a forfeit from Camden Catholic, Jaden Simpson. Wrestling 190 and winner by forfeit from Camden Catholic, Tristan Chris Owen. Wrestling 215 and winner by forfeit from Camden Catholic, Madden Rosario.